Hello guys and welcome back to another Unreal Engine 5 tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to create a map and a character for a 2D game where you can walk, jump and attack. At first what you're going to do is you open your Unreal Engine browser and create a blank. Why a blank? Because I want to show you how to create a game without nothing. At first what you're going to do is you're going to drag out the decoration, the tileset and the backgrounds you're using. I'm leaving mine that I'm using in the description. So at first what we're gonna do is, if you for example click on the grass one, okay, then you can see it's not looking really like a pixel art. To fix this, you're selecting all of this here, press right click, go to sprite action and apply paper to T texture settings. Now you can see they are really looking now like pixel art. Now what you're gonna do now is you go to the tile set, press right click, go to sprite actions and create a tileset. Open it. Here you can see the things we are going to build our map with. Then you have to go to the website and search for the pixel size these things are using. I think for this it was 24 by 24. Yeah, perfect. Then compile and close it. Then go again to the tileset we created before. Press right click and create a tile map. Just call it 2D map. Open it. And now we can build here our map. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna set up a width and a height for our map. You can choose whatever numbers you want, but I'm thinking for this here is 70 for the width. And for the height is, I think, maybe 50. Great. Yeah. Now you see the tile width and the tile height. Before this, we created in the tile set, we set up our map here to 24 by 24. For example, if we are painting now, you're gonna see it's really looking weird. So now, if we set it to 24 and to 24, and now draw, you can see it's now really looking great and not that awkward. So set this to 24 by 24, that's really important. Now we have to gonna create our map. At first we have to select this brown cube here. This is gonna be the around outside from our map. Go to 0, go till 11, and now just draw a big line here. Then take the erase and delete this here. Click on the fill and just place it here. Now you go from here again and go till 95 and draw again a big line. Go to the fill and fill this here. Then you go from here, from 0 till 11, and draw here a line again. Fill this here. And you go from here till here, from 94 till I think 24. Then draw a line here. I'm not so good in this. Then take the fill again and fill this here. So now I think you're gonna see here is now a map. So that's the all around outside of the map, and that's gonna be a map. Of course you can make the map bigger, but I think this is gonna be alright for this tutorial. So now I would start with the ground. Select this here and just paint the ground at first. Of course you can experiment with the different grounds here, but I'm just doing like a simple one. Then you have to create the all surroundings here. So just delete this here. Select this here one, select this one, and just draw it here. Not the corners, only the sides. Okay, I think this should be right. Yep. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to here, and now you can see the corners, and now we're gonna fill the corners. I think this is for here. Then this is for here. This is for here. And this here is for here. So now you're gonna see that's our map. So that's all we're gonna do now for this. Now we're gonna do the background. Save and close it. If you noticed, we got a little problem. You're gonna see here our background is white and here it's green. So to fix this, go to the background layer 1 and open it. Then go to search and type in compression settings, or just compression. Then go to compression settings, and here you're gonna see normal map. Click on it and select default DXT1. Save it, close it. Now delete this here. Create a new tileset. And now you're gonna see it's fixed. Just go in and do it again 24 by 24. Save it, close it, and open the tile map again. Here. Okay, so in Unreal Engine we are working with layers. So if you noticed, the creator of these backgrounds already gives us which layer is which. So this is layer 1, layer 2 and layer 3. So what we're going to do now, we're going to click on this here to create a new layer. Just call it, press on it, press F2 and call it background 1. So now go here and select this here. Then select it till, I think till here should be good. Yep. And now just paint it. Just edit here. Okay, map is a little bit too big, so we're gonna fix this later, but not now. Now we have our first layer of our background. Then create another layer, name it background 2. Then select the sync layer. So just select it and edit into this here. Now create another layer called background 3. Go again here and select the layer 3. Now just edit in here. Be sure that the backgrounds are in the right order. So if you, for example, do this here in front of this, you're gonna see it doesn't look right. So it's really important that these are in the right order. So now we see our map is a little bit too big, so just go again to the tileset, select layer 1 and just delete this here. Now select again the brown thing and draw till here. You can just do fill, I think. Yeah. Oh, also this here. Yeah. So then just select this again and draw it here. Yeah. Okay. Just draw it here. Then delete the corners. Go again here. And select the right ones. This here and this here. And that's it for our tile map. Save, close it, then open the content drawer and drag the map into the level. So there you can see your map now. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna drag out from the folder where you have your character in. I'm gonna leave that I'm using in the description, and drag the animations into the folder here. I am only dragging the idle, the attack and the jump. Now select this tree again, press right click, go to sprite actions and apply paper 2D texture settings. First we're gonna do the idle. Press right click, go to sprite and extract sprites. Then you're gonna see here the different sprites. Then extract. Now all selected, press right click and create a flip flop and just call it idle. And here you can see your character. Here by the frames per second you can do it like slower or faster. For example, when we do 2, he's moving really slow, and if you're doing like 20, he's moving really fast. I would say 12 was perfect, or maybe 10. 12 is perfect. Just save and do this now with the others. So go to the tech, sprite actions, extract sprites, extract, select them all and create flip flop and call it attack. Here you can see now the animation. I would also do this to 12, I think. Yeah, but you can change it whatever you want. Save it and close it. And now with the job again, right click, sprite actions, extract sprites, extract, select them all and create a flip book. Set this to 12, or maybe, I think for this example, I think 4 is the best. Now we're gonna press right click, go to blueprint classes, all classes, and type in paper actor, not actor, paper character. Select, call this 2D character. 2D character and open it. Then go to the viewport, and here you can see we have no character. Here on the right you see the source flip book. Go on none and select the idle. Now we got our character. Compile and save. Now go to the add and write in spring arm. The spring arm is basically there only to hold the camera. Then go again to the add and write in camera. Then select the spring arm, go press E or just select this here and move it so the camera is looking at the character. Then compile and save, close it. Then go to window and search for world settings. I think you already have it in your project, but I don't have it. And if you also don't have it, just go here to window, and here you can create everything, the details, the outliner, everything. To spawn our character, we have to change the game mode override. Go to the content drawer and create in your folder called blueprints. Press right click, go to blueprint class and create a game mode base. Call it BP underscore game mode. Then press right click again, go to blueprint class and create a player controller and just call it BP underscore player controller. Open the game mode. Then go to the player controller class and select the player controller we created before. Then go to the default pawn class and select our character or 2D character. Compile and save and close it. Then go to the game mode override and select the game mode we created before. Now we can go here to basics and drag out a player start into all level. If we press play, you're gonna see our character and the camera is looking at him, but now we are falling to the ground. Now we have to add to our time map the collision. So to this things here. To add collision to your time map, go to content drawer and open the tile set. Then select the things where the character is walking on. Click on it, click on colliding tiles and add box. Now do this with every block where character is walking on. Yes, I think we're all in doing this. If you're using the whole tileset, you have of course to do this with everything, but I think we are only using this here, so that's enough. Then press refresh map, save it and close it. So now if we press play, our character is not falling down. As I taught you at the beginning of the tutorial, we're gonna doing all by ourselves. So we have no blueprint here, our character can't move. So now what we're gonna do is, our character can move. So, close this character, go to the content drawer and create a new folder called AI. Press right click, go to input and create two input actions. Call the first one movement, copy and place it, and call the second one jump. Then press right click, go to input and create the input mapping context. Call this AI underscore movement. Open it, create a new mapping, select the movement, just go here to none and search for the key, or just go here, click on it with left click and just type in the key you want to use. I'm using the A key. Then create a new one, a new control binding. I type in here D. Now go to modifiers, add element and type in negate. So now if we are pressing A, we are walking negative. So if we are walking right, so with the D key it's positive, but if we're walking to the left it's negative. Then create a new mapping, select the jump, go here to the key and just place press space, go to triggers and type in here press. That's everything. Save and close it. At first what we're gonna do is we're gonna delete these two here because we don't need them now. Check out from the event begin play and type in cast to player controller. Then press right click and type in get controller. Connect it with the object here. Then drag out from the S player controller and type in enhanced and get this here. Then from the enhanced, check out and type in add mapping context. Select the enhanced system we created before, the AI movement. Connect with this here, compile and save. Right click and type in movement. I call it movement, but I think you call it movement, but there is no difference between this. Then drag out from the triggered and type in a branch. Then from the branch to true, drag out and type in add movement input. Then from the add movement input, drag out and set flipbook. A flipbook is basically the animation we want to play for moving a character. Then select the run animation. Oh, I think we didn't do this. I think we only added the attack, idle and jump animation. So what you're gonna do is you just go to the folder, I'm gonna leave it in the description, drag out the run animation, then we're gonna have the sprites here, then just do it again, select them all, I think it's still here, press right click, then oh no, it was this picture here, then go extract sprites, then extract and then select them all here and then create a flipbook. So then do here the run animation, then go here back, press right click and type in get actor forward vector and connect it with the word direction. Now connect the action value with the scale value and then drag out again from the action value and type in greater. From the greater create a branch, do double click here to do it more organized. Then connect it with this here. From the branch true, drag out and type in set world rotation from the, I think it's the, from the sprite. Yeah. So then from the default, oh, first of all copy this and then drag out from the false here and connect it here. Then at first compile and save. Now if we drag out our character here and now if we are walking right, our character is on the rotations 0, 0, 0. So you can see it here. He's on the rotation 0, 0, 0. So now if you want to move to the left, our character has to rotate for 180 degrees. So basically, if he's walking right, he's always on, the rotation is always on 0. But if we want to move to the left, we have to rotate and then can move to the left. So just take this here. Then open again the character and type in here the number 180 degrees. So if it's true, so our character is walking normally, he is on the rotation 0, 0, 0, and if he wants to rotate, so walk in the other direction, he has to rotate for 180 degrees. Okay, that's basically it for it now. Compile and save. Press play. There you can see your character is walking now. Now he's in, well, now he's in the run animation. So you can see now our character is moving. But now you can see if we stop running, he's always in the run animation. We're gonna fix this now. So go again to the character. Now after you opened your character again, go here from the completed, drag out and type in set flipbook. So play the animation again. Now select the idle, and now if you compile and save and press play and walk, he's running, and if we stop running, he's again in the idle. Now open again your character and now we're gonna do the jump. Character, go here to variable and create a new one and call it is jumping to check if you are really jumping or not. Let it as a boolean. Then go to enter place, press right click and type in jump and select the enhanced action evidence. Then from the triggered, drag out and type in branch. Get the is jumping and connect it with the condition. Then set the jumping, connect it with the false from the branch and set this here to true. Then drag out from the set and just type in jump. Then from the jump, drag out and type in set looping from the sprite. Then from the set looping, set flipbook and connect with the target here. Then go here and select jump animation. Then from the set flipbook, drag out and type in delay. I think 1.5 is good. So I think long delay is not good like for jump animation, so I think really short one is perfect. Then drag out from the delay and type in branch. From defaults, drag out and type in again delay. Do it again to 1.1, sorry. Then from the complete goes here. Then from the true drag out and type in again set looping. From the sprite. So I think this was dumb to make it do it like this, because it's like it really doesn't look good, and just create a single sprite, like for everyone a single sprite, and that's much easier to do it like this way. Then from the set looping check out and type in play, and then from the play drag out and type in again set flipbook from the sprite and select the idle animation, and then set jumping and let it to false. Then what you're gonna do is get velocity from the velocity break vector, and then get equal, and then connect with the condition from the branch. Compile. We have to do the sprite here, I think. Yep. And little tip, try to keep everything organized so you can understand the blueprint much easier. Then when I started with blueprints, I had everything not organized and I didn't can find the problem. So check out to keep everything in one line and everything organized. Compile and save, close it, press play and then press space, and there you can jump now. Now what we're gonna do is, if you noticed, it's really it's a wrong project. So if we are jumping and we are automatically not in the idle again, so you see it's a bit weird. So I'm gonna fix this now. Go to the 2D character. Now here in the blueprint again, go to the movement, then drag off uncompleted and create a branch. Set this here to false. Then drag out from is jumping and get jumping and drag it to the conditioning from the branch. Then get the jump is jumping again and connect it with this branch here and set this here not to true and to false. Compile and save, close it, press play, and now our little problem is fixed and our character is running and moving. He's really moving fast, so we're gonna fix this now. Just open the run animation and set it to, I don't know, 5 for example. Oh no, sorry, it's not because of this. We're gonna open our character again, go to the viewport, go to the character movement and type in speed, and now here you can see your max walk speed. Just set it to maybe 200. Compile and save, and now you see your character is moving much slower and not so fast. Now we're gonna do so your character can attack. So then what you're gonna do is you open your character blueprint again, go a bit down and then press right click and type in left mouse button. I think the left mouse button is the best for attack, but you can change it, of course. Then drag out from the press and type in set flipbook sprite and select the attack animation. Then drag out from here and type in set looping from the sprite. Then go here to variables and create a new variable called isAttacking to check if we are attacking right now or not. Drag out, set it, connect with the set looping, and set it to true. Now if press compile and save and play and press left click, you're gonna attack. But you see, we stop and he's not doing the animation. So now we have to say to the character if he's not attacking. So now go a bit down again. Go here to the sprite, press right click, go add event and add on finish playing. Then create a branch, drag out from here and create a branch. Then from the true of the branch, set flipbook sprite and select here the idle. Then from the set flipbook, drag out and type in set looping and set it to true. Then create a branch, drag out from the true and type in play. Then go a bit down here, copy the sprite here and drag it into here. Then from here type in is playing, then create a not boolean and connect it with the condition of the branch. Then from the play, drag out the is attack set. So set the is attack and connect it with this here. Compile and save, close it, press play, and now you can attack, walk and run. Now we're gonna do the decoration and the lightning from the scene, because you see it's really bright and that's not a game should look like. At first I would say we start with decoration. Go to the content where you have your decoration. We will start with the lamp. Press right click, sprite actions and create a sprite. A sprite is just a still image. So then drag it into your project, move it on the right height, say like this, and then just add it into the level. Like this. Then I would say we add the fence, create sprite again, then drag the fences into here. They should be on the ground and not flying, so yeah, keep that in mind. I think this is good. Then drag out the grass, select them all and create sprites of them. Then just select them all and just drag them into here. Wait, where are the other three? Okay, then just move it to the ground like this. Okay, no, just go to the details and move it a bit up, like this, and a bit more in the back, and then just copy and place it, I would say, so we have some grass in all level. And delete this here, we'll just copy it and place it all around the map, like this. But we are not doing a detailed map, so just a simple map. Then drag out the shape here, sprite animation, create a sprite, and then drag it into here, and I would say I would place it here, I think. So yeah, and then you can add here the stones and more grass, more fences, but we're not doing this. I think this is enough for the map. So yeah, I think this is alright for the map. So now, if you notice, our map is really bright. So you have to think our pixel map is looking like the unlit mode. So this is what our game is look like if we started, and the unlit mode, this is how a pixel game should look like. And now we have to do that our game is looking like this and not like this. We're gonna do is the light is the same as the unlight mode. Go to the edit, to the project settings, then type in here anti and set the anti-aliasing method to none, because we don't need on a pixel game anti-aliasing. Close it, then go here to visual effects and create the process value. Then type in here inf and set infinity extent unbound to true, so it affects the whole level. Then you have to go to blue, set the intensity to 0, then go a bit down to exposure and set the min and the max to 2. Then go a bit down. Then go a bit down to image effects, set this to true, and set this to 1. Oh no, I think to 0. Yeah, to 0. Then go to highlights. Just type in here highlight. Wait. Highlights. Yes, here to color grading and then to highlights. Then set the highlight min to 1. Then go to color grading and set the global. Set this all to true. Go to the gain and set this here a bit down as you like. We'll set to this here. Now you can experiment with here and set it so the level is exactly like the unlight mode. You can just copy my settings. Now these are my settings for the global, and now if you are sure that the unlit mode and the lit mode are looking the same, you're ready to go. Of course you have to spend many hours to have it exactly like the unlit mode, but I think this should be enough. So now if you go play, your map is looking good. You can attack, jump, walk. I hope you liked this little tutorial about how creating a 2D game. Leave a subscribe and like there, and I see you in the next Unreal Engine 5 tutorial.